This project is co-funded by the European Union under the Next Generation EU initiative. Therapy Companion is a desktop and mobile application designed for psychotherapists and mental health professionals, including licensed therapists, members of therapeutic teams, and psychotherapy trainees. Built with a strong focus on data protection, user privacy, and professional usability, the app helps you manage client information, schedule sessions, and maintain structured documentation in a secure environment. We'll start with the login process. You can create a user account, or if you already have one, simply sign in using Google. This is the main user interface. To unlock all features, the first step is to complete your personal profile. In your profile, you can upload a photo, enter basic information, and specify your organization. To ensure the calendar and notification system works properly, it's necessary to enter your email address. This enables automatic email reminders to clients about scheduled sessions. The next step is to define your working hours. You can set a split shift, adjust it to your needs, and apply it to selected days of the week. Once saved, the app will remember your schedule. Here you can also manage notification settings. This section includes terms of use and cookie policy. 2 themes are available, light and dark, and 2 text sizes, standard and enlarged. Before you can fully use the app, you'll need to add your first client. Clients can be added through the side menu or by clicking the Fast Action and New Client button. You can upload a photo or choose from a selection of avatars, ranging from archetypal and professional to symbolic figures. To even further protect privacy, we recommend entering a pseudonym instead of a full name. Entering basic client information is optional, you only fill in what you need. For the calendar and email reminder system to function, we suggest entering the client's email address. If you choose not to, the app will still work, but without automatic notifications. You can also enter the number of sessions already completed if the client has been coming before you started using the app. The color you choose for a client will represent them in the calendar. Once added, the app automatically takes you to the client's profile. Here you can view and edit client information, enter supervision questions, see scheduled sessions, and write notes. On the home screen, you'll find the agenda, a list of upcoming and past sessions. Let's create the first session. Select the client, enter a title, and choose the date and time. If you enter a video call link into the location field, your client will receive it in the session reminder email. You can choose whether the client should receive an email notification and set the session duration. If the session is scheduled in the past, it will appear as a past session. Now let's schedule another, future session. You'll now see this upcoming session in the agenda with options to cancel or edit. For previous sessions, there's a button to add notes. This is the calendar view. Here you can see all your scheduled and completed sessions. All sessions you create are automatically shown in the calendar. You can view the calendar by day, week, month, or year. If you've synchronized the calendar with external services, those appointments will also be visible in the app. This helps avoid scheduling conflicts and improves planning. You can also schedule a session directly by clicking on a slot in the calendar. The new session will then appear in the agenda and can be edited as needed. At any point, you can return to past sessions and add notes. Open the note, enter the session topic, and write your content. When finished, save the session. The client's profile will now display the number of completed and upcoming sessions and an overview of the process. You also have access to structured note templates, including initial and closing interviews, Gestalt diagnosis, progress notes, and more. All notes can be reviewed in the Notes panel, with filtering and search options to help you find exactly what you need. In the Client panel, you'll see a list of all clients you've worked with, including recently accessed ones. Let's try creating a Gestalt diagnosis. Choose a client, and use the provided template to record your impressions, either using form fields or free text. For the sake of this demo, we'll go through the form without filling it out. Once created, the diagnosis appears both in the client's profile and in the Notes panel. The app includes a powerful search function, allowing you to find clients, notes, titles, or keywords quickly. For example, if you've worked on the topic of depression in any note, simply enter the term in the search bar. Results will immediately show all relevant entries, including the exact location within the note. If you wish to edit or export a note as a PDF, you can do so from any panel. The same applies to diagnoses. All can be reviewed, edited, and downloaded. Finally, there's a summary view of your work with the clients, including the number of sessions, frequency, and a graphical display of work process. Thank you for your attention, and we hope you enjoy using Therapy Companion.